So Jim's trying a new recipe, Tater Tot Casserole. And we're using our own venison. And we always put Worcestershire sauce in it when it's cooking, which the recipe calls for it, so that worked out well. And then he cut up an onion, knowing us, probably pretty close to half of an onion, because we like our onion. And then he's got garlic sitting over here on the side.
3 cloves.
And he will
What?
he will finish the video with whatever he's doing. I don't know what spices you put in there.
I put pepper. Calls for pepper, Italian seasoning, salt. I don't use salt. Calls for Worcestershire sauce. So that's, yeah, who's your sister sauce? So that has salt in it, but not a whole lot. And we like garlic, so I always cook my venison with garlic powder anyway. It calls for 1 pound of ground beef, so we substitute venison. Then here in a minute, I'm going to add this garlic and my mushrooms and cream of mushroom soup. And then I will put it in our pan. Put that mixture in first, then a can of vegetables of your choice. It calls for corn or green beans, but I think I'll use mixed vegetables. And it calls for 2 cups of grated cheddar cheese. You put that on top of all of the vegetables, and then you layer the tater tots on top, and then you cook them in the oven. I'll bring you along as we go on each stage. So check back in a little bit. Alright, so I've added the mushrooms and the garlic. As soon as I smell the garlic start being releasing its fragrance, I will add the cream of mushroom soup, and we just gotta heat that. There we go. Cream of mushroom. Try to get the healthy one, doesn't have as much salt. So, and we just kind of heat that up all together, and then it'll be ready to go in the pan, or that pan.
9 by 12 baking pan.
9 by 12 baking pan,
Yeah,
Brenda said. Yeah, that pan. Okay, so I put in my cream of mushroom soup, and forgot you're supposed to add a cup of sour cream, so I'm going to mix that in there. And that's just to help make it creamy. So I got it all mixed up, and we'll just let that heat for just a little bit, and then we will build our casserole in that pan. So I sprayed my pan with a little bit of cooking spray. So I'm going to add our hamburger mixture. Hopefully I don't make a giant mess. Spread that out. Add some fresh black pepper. Or Italian seasoning. Or you can use oregano or whatever you like, but it calls for Italian seasoning, so we're trying Italian seasoning. And I'm going to add my vegetables.
What temperature is the oven?
375.
Okay.
And it called for 2 cups. We're just guesstimating. The cheddar cheese, but you can use whatever you like.
Is it 2 cups there or just 1 cup?
2 cups. It's supposed to be, I think this is, we put that on there to be too much.
Oh, I didn't know if it needed cheese on top.
We can add it when we're done.
Okay.
More or less making it your own.
Yep.
Oh, tater tots. I didn't get the tater tots.
Tater tots.
Just arrange them. This might take a while. Arrange them on top. Okay, so it's ready to go in. We're at 375. There's a little extra cheese left, so I threw it on top. If you guys wanted salt, when I put the pepper and the Italian seasoning on, that's when you would have added salt. So basically all we're going to do now is just cook the tater tots and bring it all together. So we'll let y'all know what the final product's like.
Did you say how long?
Oh, 375 for 45 minutes. Alrighty, so here's the finished product.
That's good.
We had a little pasta left over too. We need to finish
Yeah.
off.
Leftover.
Oh, made a mess.
Leftover. Don't want anything to go bad. That and salad.
And some cheese on top.
Yep.
More cheese. Oh, Cooper.
Yeah. See, Cooper's the cleanup crew. Right, Coopers?